So along with that Fox Blocks Hampton Inn, I got to stay in last night. It's so cool staying in a Fox Blocks hotel and to look out the window and see another one breaking ground. Top rated guest satisfaction, by the way, in the Hilton chain of families, the Hampton Inn. I got to see the view and the ground scratching for the next hotel for that operator. I get to come out here about a half hour away and see these two hotels coming up. That one's a residence Marriott Inn, and that one behind us there is a 5-story Homewood Suites. So interesting. Two different architects, two different hotel developers, but yet both of them saw the wisdom in going up with ICF walls. And we're up on top of another Fox Blocks hotel, and that is concrete and rebar and Fox Blocks forms. So ICF hotel building shells getting more and more popular, and they're getting this story popped out, and this will be the last one. 5-story Homewood Suites. That guy right there is Don Coleman. He's a little old to be up here on this deck, but he's getting it done anyway.